Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel of Chelyabinsk Laser Equipment Plant, and today I would like to introduce our popular model of laser machine called AVANGARD. Here you can see the typical model of our production. Its size is 1.5 meters in the width and 4 meters long. Here you can see the cutting head made by the AU3 Tech company, and the machine control system is made by the same company. This is a very high quality cutting head that can provide a very precise cutting of the product that you make on a working table. And here, if you have a look here, you can see the linear guides made by the company Hivin. It's a company of Taiwan. It's recommended on the market as the most highly produced and productive machine. We are very satisfied with this, and so we use it for every machine that we produce. Here, again, as I said, the length of this machine is 4 meters, but standard size is 3 meters in length. Why we did this is because our customer who makes the ventilation systems, he required us to make it personalized, a little bit personalized, and we made the extended machine of 4 meters long. We can produce, that is to say, we can produce any length, any size for our customers, and any voltage and power that we have. Here, the voltage of this machine is 2 kilowatt, but we are not limited by this because we can produce up to 12 kilowatt machines. Everything is quite personalized. We have a special team of our employees who can teach the staff of the factory of our customers to operate the machine control system, which is not complicated. It's a very friendly and easy to use operation system. Also, they do the repairment services, and they built the machine itself, so you don't have to worry about some creation or repairment, or you don't have to worry much about the employee teaching and their education, I would say. Here you can see our name, the name of the machine, AVANGARD. It's very popular among our customers because it's quite not highly priced, but this machine has a very extended quality. We have a guarantee insurance of 36 months, about 36 months, but if you use it carefully and you follow all the rules of using this kind of equipment, it will serve you for many and many years. So, looking for your comments. Thanks for your attention and have a nice day. Bye.